is that day, isn't it? Tuesday, February 14th. Any last minute gifts? Anybody? Come here tomorrow if you want a half off. That's what I always do. I like the hearts, but I like them twice as much when they're half off. This is just another holiday for the corporations to make all their moolah. Sure the cows are happy about that. Mrs. Dolly Parton over there, she likes moolah. According to the Greeting Card Association, 25% of all cards are sent out on Valentine's Day. Have you been drinking this evening, sir? It's so weird to come into a city that's got everything when you were just in the middle of a field with absolutely nothing. They even got a Kmart over here. Bullock County Courthouse. It's not a load of bullocks. It's pretty awesome looking. I love to see these old town courthouses, along with the rest of the historical-esque facades. Pretty good looking. I love those poles. Patriotic mailbox. That's for flags only. It's named for Archibald Bullock, Revolutionary leader and the first provisional governor of Georgia, until his death on February 22nd, 1777. Reminds me of General Lincoln's sleep apnea, but permanent. Come into the guy's office and say, "Hey sir, I got your cheese sandwich." Oh, a downtown for all seasons. All cursived out on that water tower over there. Statesboro. Like the old stone pillars to tell you what street it was. Back when horses roamed the roads. That old staple does a good job too. Look at that. Oh. Imagine landing on that thing. 1882, huh? Of course they've got an Allstate, or as they say down here, y'all state. What would you do if someone was performing surgery on you but they had no eyes? All you need is love. Boop, ba-da-da-do. The old bank is now an art gallery right next to this super cool overhang. And this piece of art over here, Southboro Bicentennial College Town. Oh, GSU. Those neons gotta look really cool. Even the dogs have somebody to cuddle up with today. As I breathe, I hope. Wow, lots of cool art. It's like you're making everything into a clock. Hamburgers, pizza, America. Oh, that's not a clock. Oh, looks like they're making some more right in there. It's the Flame of Freedom. Put here March 15th, 1969. Appreciate it. Be grateful that you have the freedom to walk these streets freely and do whatever you want. Pokemon Go in full swing. Didn't see that there. Look at all those cakes he's loading up, just begging to be drinking. Makes me a little thirsty. Does it work? Ugh. Look at this hunk over here. Don't fear the foam. Christ, that's a lot of foam right there. Wow. This is exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't maintain your squares properly, they turn into triangles. This is one of those. 1904 bit. Definitely looks like 1904. Look at it. Looks like the fleas finally got to this flea market. Because it hasn't seen much life in a long. guy needs a lot of love. Wow. He forgot his pants. Looks like the business has definitely seen better times. Look at that. I wouldn't even reckon trying to go in here. Look at it. Right on the main road too. Sits this old abandoned bit. That's all I need to do. Fall in. Wow. What is that? Oh wow, you can see an old stage. What do you think would have played up there? Got a couch. What historical asses have sat there? And the roof caving in. Oh. You got quite a view, you know? Just sit over there on the couch. View out. It looks like J-Man was here. I don't see a D-Man though. Over here. This is where the cool kids hang out. This train track literally just ends right there. Hope you got up to 88 miles per hour with your time machine train version. Otherwise, I don't know. The Fabulous 50 rode this same railroad in 1906 in a bidding war for the first technical school from Statesboro to Savannah. They won the bidding for $125,000 and with it 300 acres of land, which they put the school on the highest hill, called A&M at the time, now known as Georgia Southern, in 1990. And on the other side sit the delegates who made it all possible. For whom this guy right across the street is the mascot. A very festive mascot. Look at you. You got some corn, some flowers, even a watermelon. Very vegged out. Look at that sign right on the side of this State Hall. That used to be an old hotel, I'm guessing. It was a hustling and bustling hotel in the early part of the 1900s, built in 1905. Once upon a time, Henry Ford stayed there as well. Over here used to be an old cotton warehouse. All fenced off and decrepit by now, but right here used to be a warehouse for all of it, which makes sense. The railroad's right there. You'd pack it up, get it into those bundles, throw it all into that cotton gin made by old Eli Whitney. This place is just filled with antique stuff, and I mean filled. Nice little pond to get your woosah mode on. Oh yeah. We got sinks. So, come here often? No, it's Valentine's Day, you know. And I was looking for somebody, for something. What do you say, huh? Who has a motorcycle as their sign? Ooh, look at this guy. Damn. Come on, it's even got the wood paint on it. Faux wood. That's back when everything had to be wood. That's awesome. Did he made a seat out of... So this is the front bumper, right? That is awesome. That's art right there. Always got to hit these antique spots. You never know what you'll find. Might be something small, just another Coke machine. I mean, a Coke machine's always good to see again. Or a custom go-kart with a beach lounge chair and a chainsaw. I love these trailers right here. When they use the back of a truck as a trailer. Well, this is an older one. It's not just Vinny. It's my cousin Vinny's antique used furniture and stuff. How many times you see a burger boy, huh? If you were one of the hardcore fans, you'd have to pick up these guys. This one's actually bolted. This is the back of the bench. She's pretty awesome. I believe that's an 8-track, right? Never seen one before. Johnny Denver. Wow. It's pretty awesome. Look at that. Look at all these guys. Wow. Old corded phones. Full ones. To the area too. Damn. Thing's older than me. One thing I've learned on this trip though is how to be alone. How to be okay with being alone. Because I used to always think that I would have to be with somebody. I can't have fun on my own. I gotta always be with somebody. I think that might be like something society puts on us. Like you need to be with somebody or else you're broken. You know, the codependency type of thing. But no, I have fun enough just by myself. And I think you should start off that way. Start off being okay with just being by yourself and alone. And be okay with that. Know how to have fun without somebody. So then you're not a clinger. I think so many people get out of relationships or stay in relationships that aren't good for them just because they don't want to be alone. But I don't need somebody to have fun. I can have fun all by myself. Doesn't mean I don't like to go out and do stuff with people, but I don't need to. I don't need to have somebody to do stuff with. Not having this day be depressing that you don't have somebody, but being okay with yourself, saying myself's enough. I don't need somebody else to make me whole. That's it, guys. Be okay with yourself, love yourself, and I'll see you tomorrow.